Today, I'm going to teach you how to add services on Squarespace. This is incredibly useful if you're running a service-based business and want to showcase what you offer directly on your website, making it easy for clients to book and pay for your services all in one place. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can see all your websites and projects. Once you're on the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to add services. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're selecting the correct one so your services appear in the right place. Now look over to the left side menu, find and click on Products and Services. This is where Squarespace centralizes all your offerings, whether they're physical products or services. Under that section, click on Product. This will open up the area where you can manage everything you're selling. Next, at the top of the screen, click on Services. This tab separates your services from physical products, making it easier to organize. Then click on Add Services to start creating your new service listing. Give it a moment to load as Squarespace prepares the service editor for you. Now you're in the Details section. Here you can add a product name and a description. Be clear and specific about what you're offering so potential clients understand exactly what they're booking. A well-written description can make a big difference in conversions. Next, move to the Forms tab. If you want to collect specific information from clients when they book, you can add a custom form here. This could include questions about their needs, preferences, or any other details you need before starting the service. Now click on Images. This is where you'll add visual appeal to your service. Click the plus icon to add an image. For this tutorial, we'll select from Library, which lets you choose from images you've already uploaded. Select a picture that represents your service well, then click Add. A good image can really help grab attention and make your service more appealing. Then head to the Inventory section. Here you can set a price for your service, enter the amount you want to charge. You can also add variants if your service comes in different options, like different durations or packages. You can click on Subscriptions if you want to offer this service as a recurring option. Adjust the settings to suit your business model, whether that's weekly, monthly, or another schedule, then click Apply. On the Organization tab, you can create categories for your service and add tags to it. This helps keep everything organized, especially if you're offering multiple services, and makes it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. Also, on the Selling Tools section, you can add an add-on if needed. This could be something like an extra feature or a complimentary service that clients can purchase alongside the main one. Once you're done setting everything up, look to the upper right corner and click Save. Then click Publish to make your service live on your website. Your new service is now available for clients to book and purchase. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.